Hello everyone, I'm Sohail and I welcome you to Linux and Ubuntu. If you have been following my journey as a FOSS blogger and web developer over the past decade, you probably already know me from my blog linuxandubuntu.com. I've spent years creating websites and have written thousands of articles. The support from this open source community has been incredible. Your feedback has been crucial in shaping my skills and improving my content. In recent years, AI has been making incredible improvements, especially in writing. It's amazing to see how AI can generate text content, but like all other bloggers, it got me thinking about the future of content creation. I think that as technology evolves, so should we. So what can you expect from this channel? Here I will try to educate people about open source software, cover tech news, reviews applications, and post my favorite distros walkthroughs every now and then. But I'm kicking things off with a series that will be very useful for Linux learners. It's called Linux Essentials. Now, I know there are tons of Linux videos out there on the internet, but my approach is a bit different. Each video in this series will be short, on point, and dedicated to a single topic, so it's easy for you to grasp and implement. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into Linux or a seasoned user looking to deepen your knowledge, this series is for you. I'll cover everything from the basics to more advanced topics, and I promise no unnecessary fluff, just straightforward practical content. So feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. As always, I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching the video. I cannot wait to explore Linux with you. Stay tuned for the first episode coming soon. Until then, happy coding and stay open source.